it for now, but I hope to fit an extension when it arrives. As for the filler tube, complete waste of time. It's flimsy, nothing to it, and well, doesn't fit anywhere. That would no way would that fit any kind of normal house tap. Yeah, okay, that'll go on there, like so. But it's no use. Doesn't reach anywhere. Doesn't fit taps. So that's completely useless. So I've had to fill it up with a jug. Still, it's done the job. We'll see how the spinner works after, when the washing is ready to do another video shortly.